Hi everyone, it's Dawn from the Good Soap in North Wales, and I'm just going to give you a little demonstration of our deodorant bars today. In case you've seen one and you're not quite sure how to use it or how effective it would be or how to store it, because it's quite an unusual product, I'm going to give you some more information today. So when you get it, you'll see it's just a rectangle. It looks like a bar of soap. It'll come in a compostable bag, which can go in your food waste recycling, or it can go in a compost heap in your garden. We've got 5 different flavours. This lemongrass one that's unwrapped is mine, and we've got patchouli and lime, we've got spearmint and lemon, we've got cedarwood and frankincense, and we've got floral. They're all vegan friendly, they're all chemical free. The scents come from essential oils, and they're basically made up of a block of wax and shea butter and cocoa butter to keep them solid. So when you do store them in the house, just make sure you don't keep it on top of a radiator or something like that, because they will melt in extreme temperatures and that would make a mess. But just any old normal temperature room is absolutely fine. I keep mine on a little dish on my bathroom side, but we also sell these tins, or if you've already got a tin, you can keep it in that. You can travel with that, take it to the gym, take it to the swimming pool. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration. Don't worry, I'm not going to use my armpit. I'm just going to show you how to use it on the back of my arm. Now, this is quite a new bar, but once you've used it a few times, it'll curve, and it'll curve to the shape of your armpit, so that'll make it even easier to apply. But all you need to do really is just put it into your armpit on the skin, and the warmth of your skin just melts it, and it's as simple as that. It won't leave any marks on your clothes, they don't stain at all, like some deodorants can. And of course there's no waste because you haven't got an aerosol, you haven't got a plastic roll on. They're completely waste free, so that's really good to know. Good for you and good for the environment. So if you're interested in them, have a look at the deodorant page on our website and maybe give it a go. Just one note, actually, we make a bicarb free version and a bicarb version, and it's basically because some people can react slightly to bicarb on the skin. It's quite rare, but we just like to offer the choice just in case. So have a look and see what you think. Thank you. Bye bye.